My name's Leonard Amata. I'm the National Sales Manager with Carmex Precision Tools. We're here at the WESTEC show in Anaheim, California at the Convention Center. We're here today to highlight our tools that we offer solutions for any applications that they may be threading in. What makes our company stand out from the other tooling manufacturers is 100% our coatings. So what we've done different as a company is not only do we offer general purpose, but we also offer a grade for titanium and stainless, as well as a grade for hardened materials and super alloys with nickel, high nickel content. So that's kind of right now in the aerospace industry, hard to machine materials, that's where we're really standing out and proven in those type of materials. On table one, we have on display all our tools that would fit on regular lathe style machines as well as Swiss style machines. So whether they do multi-functioning tools like boring, profiling, grooving, parting off, front turning, back turning, they also thread. The second table we have on display here is highlighting our thread milling tools. That would be run on traditional mills or lathes with live tooling, our mill turn centers. What we have highlighted is our thread mills, our multi-functioning tools, our indexable thread mills, our end mill line, and our taps. What we hope to accomplish by highlighting our tools at this show and engaging with our customers is to let them know whatever their machining needs are, whatever their application, whatever material they're cutting, Carmex has a tooling solution that's made for them.